Welcome to my channel. This is the Orange Blur, and I will be opening 3 ceramic packs tonight. Let's go ahead and open the first one and see what we can get. A Buick, Volkswagen, a Ford, Lamborghini, and a Volkswagen. On to the next one. A Peugeot, another, a Mazda, at least 2 super rares, and a Porsche. More food. And for our final pack, let's see. Got a Chrysler, Volkswagen Country Buggy, Ford, Alfa Romeo, and Corvette Stingray Z51 Epic. That is what I want right now. Awesome. I'll be opening some more ceramic packs. Let's see if we can get lucky tonight. Mazda already? Ford Fiesta? And a Legacy. So food. Let's see here. Got a Buick. A Mitsubishi. A Maserati Gil BSS Spider. A Mondeo. And a Mercedes. So more food. Let's open that last pack here. Got a Lancia, Datsun, Fiat, Buick, and a Mitsubishi. Alright, so bunch of food this time. Thanks for watching. I'll be opening 2 more ceramic packs here. Let's see what we can get out of this first. A Focus, a Grand Am, Jetta, a ASX, and a Fiat Rally Spec. Not bad. Let's see what we can get out of the second one. A Fiat, a Mazda, Maserati Indy, a Citroen, and a Chrysler 200. So just some food.